Hey, do you want to make money online? Yes, in a passive way, without doing anything, without even investing anything. You just download this app that I'm going to show you in this video, and you start earning immediately. You start earning immediately. You can either be paid via PayPal or cryptocurrency. So it depends on which one you want. So we are going to go through this website. Yes, and we are going to see how really it works. So, guys, we are on this website that I told you about. We are going to go through it. Yes, read through it and we see how it really works. So this website is called Honeygain. Yes, Honeygain. Honeygain. So if you want to download this app, you can have it on your phone through an app, or you can download it on your laptop, your PC when you are working. It's running, and these people, they pay you, as you can see, passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Yes, you can make money by just sharing your internet. Yes, the internet that you are not using. They will not collect your information or your personal data. Yes, they have policies, they protect your data and everything. But the internet you are using that you can't finish, they will help you use it and you will get paid for that. What a passive way to earn money. Yes, you will not do anything, you will not go there, answer surveys, write, type, or do anything, and you don't need you don't need any qualifications to join. You just go in there, you get started. As you can see, this blue button, it's to get started. If you want to download, you can download it here. Yes, this is their about us page, and this is how their website looks like. If you want to log in, if you have already an account, you log in here. We will go into that after we've gone through the website, because I already have an account with them, and I'm going to show you how much I've earned since. Yes, if you want to get started, you click this blue button which has get started. You will start in, put in your information, and you log in. Yes, even they are on Trustpilot. These are the reviews they have so far. As we are viewing this website, maybe they will increase later. They say, is there a way to earn passive? Yes, you can earn when you are playing your games, when you are watching your movie on Netflix. Yes, can you imagine just sitting there and you are earning? Yes, start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription. This, so they tell you when you earn money, you can pay all that. Yes, and with compromising security. There is security when you're earning, because I've been using it for quite some time, but I haven't got any issues with them. Yes, I just installed the app and it's running in my background. And today we are going to explore different ways you can earn more, not only by sharing your internet, but they have also included some other things that can boost your earnings. So we are going to see all that in this video. Just stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Yes, don't go anywhere. Just stay tuned. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Yes, they tell you what your internet is used for. If you want to learn more, you can click here, you learn more. Yes, you can click there, you go, you learn more. Yeah. So this is how their website looks like. So in the 3 steps, it's easy. Sign up, install, and again, let it gather. So when it gathers, that's how you get paid from what it has been gathering. Yes. So if you want to go sign up for this Honeygain and you think it's the website for you, or it's the app you can install on your phone to earn passive income, I will leave the link to Honeygain in the description below, so you can go through that, my link, and you join Honeygain. And when you join Honeygain, we are talking about now the different ways you can earn. So when you join Honeygain, they will give you a startup gift. Yes. But before we go into that startup gift, let us get started and try to open up an account with them. But we are not going to go far in opening it because I already have an account. Yes, I already have an account and it went straight to that because I already have an account. But if you use my link there, you get $5. That's also another way of earning, even though it's one time, but it's a good start. So you will get this $5 sign up bonus. They will put it into your Honeygain account and you will start from there. Yes, it's good because you will not start earning from zero. You will have somewhere to start from this $5. Yes. So let us go inside the app or inside their dashboard, my dashboard, which I've been already using. Yeah. So this is Honeygain inside it. Yes, this is so far how much I've collected. You see these bees which are running up here, up and down. They are working hard collecting your unused internet. So this is so far how much I've gained. Yes, in US dollars, I've so far gained 13 US dollars and these cents. Yes, but if you we will go into the cash out later. So this is over I've gained since I started using this app, and they will be showing you a bar of how much you've gained. Like they are showing me from December last year up to now how much I've been gathering. Yes, and if a person goes through my link they will get this 500 Honeygain, and that's $5. So if you want to join, you guys, as I said, you can use my link down there and you join. But on this website there are also other ways you can earn from, apart from that $5 sign up bonus where you begin from when you use my link down there below. So we have this pot here. As you can see, it's dancing. So this is like a lucky pot. When you come into your app every day, you click on this lucky pot. Sometimes you, if you are lucky, you can win up to 1,000, up to 10,000 Honeygain credits. Sometimes if I open it, I can win up to 5, sometimes to 10, sometimes to 50. But it's all good. It boosts my earning. So if you come here, you click on it. Let us see what we are going to earn today. So if you click on it, they say open lucky pot. So if I open it, let us see. Oh, yes, let us see. I've won one, yes, and this one it will be credited into my account. And this luck pot, I will have to try it again tomorrow because as you can see now, it shows it's empty. I've taken out that credit. So another way you can earn if you want to cash out. Yes, there are two ways you can use to cash out. You can cash out via PayPal or Jump Task. And this is though for those people who want to get paid in a cryptocurrency. So if you want to get paid in cryptocurrency, you just go use this. But when you are cashing out using Jump Task, they don't charge you anything. It's free. Yes, it's free. You are not charged anything. So if you want to catch out, you go either to Honeygain or to Jump Task and you just go and get your funds. But if you want to use this PayPal method, then there is a fee they will take from you. Yes, and there is a certain amount of money you are supposed to use so that you can cash out. You can when you want to earn to cash out using PayPal, you are supposed to reach up to $20 to cash out. Yes, but if you don't want to reach that amount, you just go enable this Jump Task. You get started with Jump Task. You open up a wallet with them. If you want me to do a video about Jump Task, you comment it in the comment section below. You just go join with them, create a wallet, and anytime your money comes, it doesn't matter how much you've made. For this one, they don't have like a payment threshold. You just cash out anytime. But if you want to get your money via PayPal, which is cash, you have to wait up to when you reach $20. Yes, you have to wait until when you reach $20. As I've told you, you want to another way to earn, you can refer a friend and earn. Yes, anybody who joins through your link, they get $5 So if you join through my link, you get $5. And if you also go there, invite a friend, a brother or sister, they use your link, they'll get $5. Yes. Then also they have added another way to earn, another way of achievements. Yes. So they give you credits in form of achievements, and those credits here, like there are 50 credits, so it depends on the achievement you've won, and those credits, they are added into your Honeygain account here. Yes, they are added into your Honeygain account here, and that helps you to boost your earning, and you can cash out quickly. But also another thing that I want us to note here, it depends sometime on the country you are in. In some countries, they pay them higher and they can cash out quickly when they use this honey gain, because their internet speed is good. They have too much internet which is unused, they can take from. But in some countries it can take long to get paid because of the internet system, the policies and the rules there. Yes, so this is honey gain for you. I've shown you all these different ways you can earn from. Maybe some people didn't know them, they just only knew you just install the app and leave it in your phone. But that's the Honeygain review. And if you want me to come back here and do a video when I am cashing out either through PayPal or Jump Task, you leave that comment into the comment section below. Thank you. This is Honeygain for you. Yes, if you want to give it a try, don't forget to use the link in my description below. Yes, that's the way you can support me, and you also can support me when you like this video. Share it with a friend, a brother. Yes. But please, before we go further in the website, again, don't forget to like, to subscribe, place that bell notification there, that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first one to get notified on this channel. It's called Earn with Gloria, and here we talk about different ways we can earn money online, ways that really work. It's about the truth and nothing but the truth. We even try out side hustles from popular YouTubers if we see if they really work and if they don't really work. And if you are out there, you want me to try a side hustle for you, I'll leave my email in the comment section below so that you can type me the side hustle you want me to try. I can try it out for you. I come here, we share the results so that we can know what really works and what really doesn't work. So this website that I'm talking about, if you've tried it and it has really worked for you, just put your comment in the comment section below. Yes. And don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up so that it can reach very many people. Thank you. Let's go back into the website. Okay. Yes.